going on, everyone? Thanks for checking out 6 Point Survival. EG Survival sent me a few of their ultimate match, but today we are going to put them to the test. Here's what the pack looks like. If you want to go check out the product or buy them, here's a link for that. Or I'll put the website down in the description and you can go check them out. If you like this video and the full gambit of tests we put it through, you want to see more videos like this, or just how to light a basic fire, how to do some basic fundamental survival skills, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Follow us for more. So you should get about 120 seconds of flame. Here is the actual match itself. So far they seem pretty cool. Let's actually put them to the test. So the different tests I'm going to do with them today. I wrapped one in a damp cloth. You can see the packaging is kind of disintegrating there, but overall it feels pretty sturdy. I'm also going to do a short-term water test. And then the last thing we're going to do is actually start a fire with it to see how well we can get that ignition going. At the end of the day, it doesn't really matter what products you have. If you don't follow the basic fundamentals of building a fire, this isn't going to work for you. So I have some small pieces of pitchwood. These little bundles are perfect for starting fires. And okay, so it extended out just like that and kind of ripped through the paper. Let's actually pull the paper back some and see what it looks like. The wire just goes straight into the device. Don't pull it up, but pull it straight out that way. Gotta pull pretty hard. At 1:40 right now, plus a little bit longer, so not bad on the burn time, pretty accurate. All right, just burn the first one. My initial thoughts is it burns much more like a flare than a match, so don't think of it necessarily like a match. It was a pretty difficult pull, so it wasn't super easy to just pop it, which I do like in some senses, that it's not going to just accidentally get pulled out inside your pack, or if you have one stuck in somewhere, you know, you're not going to accidentally pull this ring and light it off and burn your stuff. On the other hand, if you're in a survival situation and you got weak hands, you might run into some challenges. The next one I want to light off is the one that I've been soaking in a damp cloth for 24 hours. I put in this cloth, I got the cloth wet, and I soaked it for 24 hours. I don't suspect it's going to impact the burn time very much. I am a little concerned about the ignition. So I'm going to grab it. Again, pull sideways, not up. Really notice it shoots sideways out of the top of this thing. You can see like two separate flames. All right, that was the 24-hour soak match. For the next test, I have a bucket of water down there. We're gonna drop one in for 1 minute. And we are in the water. That's our 1 minute mark. Let's take it out and light it. So I'm able to hold the back without any issues. I do also like that the pull on these comes with a little wire. Definitely. Fully dunked in the pot of water for at least 15 seconds, probably a little bit longer. Still burned great, didn't seem to impact the burn time at all. Did great with the wind test. Honestly, if you ever have winds even close to that high, please don't try and light a fire. You're going to burn a forest down. So definitely works great in any wind conditions. Let's see if it affected the burn time at all. Still about a 2-minute burn time. Worked great. So what I'm going to do to test this is I'm going to step on the back of the flare. I'm going to run a stick through this ring and then use my forearm to try and pull that out and see if I can get it lit that way. So again, that's going to be simulating that my hands literally don't work at all anymore, and so much so that I can't even just get a finger through and grip it. I'm going to be, again, using just the weight of my body and my forearm to see if we can ignite these. So let's check that out. If I couldn't use my hands, I'm going to get that pulled, the pull ring, run through a stick like that. I can step on the flare itself, and now I should be able to work under here and pull straight up. What I really want to see is if someone either doesn't know how to break down their firewood into the smallest pieces possible and get those good tinder and kindlings, is it going to work for them to light a fire? So assuming they at least follow some basic steps of working with smaller size fuel up to larger size fuel, are they going to be able to get a fire started? So let's check it out. The final test is going to be actually lighting a fire, skipping the tinder and kindling phase of the fire and moving straight into my smaller fuel size pieces and full. Once it's going, all right, guys, final thoughts on the ultimate match by come in a pack of 3. They work great for starting fires. Overall, I think it's a good product. It does not replace good fire building fundamentals, but definitely something I would use in a pinch if I needed to. This would be something I would recommend more for an emergency situation. If you weren't able to get a dry tinder or kindling, you can skip that. And then if I can't get something going, say it's too wet, too windy, whatever it might be, this is going to be a good product to use for that. So thank you, EG Survival, for sending these to me. I appreciate it. I got a couple left after these tests. I will definitely throw them in my pack and recommend them. If you guys got any questions about this or any of the other products, feel free to reach out. Let me know. I'll be happy to put you in contact. See ya. What's up, guys? If you like this video on the ultimate match review and the full gambit of tests we put it through, you want to see more videos like this, or just how to light a basic fire, how to do some basic fundamental survival skills, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Follow us for more. I'm actually pushing out